restored sideboard which dates back to the early 1900s. It was a fabulous find. It's a one-off and has been restored inside and outside. The original lacquer shows through, which is sort of goldy ochre tones, through the new green lacquer that it's been finished with, and then finished with a lovely clear glossy coat. Now the decoration on the doors is beautiful. The Chinese love their landscapes, and this features mountains and water, both of which are sacred in Chinese culture, and no Chinese landscapes are complete without them. In fact, the Chinese character for the mountain is made of 3 peaks. As is often the case with Chinese calligraphy, it actually demonstrates by picture the actual meaning of the character. There are 3 cupboards, each of which houses a removable shelf. The doors close very neatly, as you'd expect in such quality, with magnets, so holds the doors closed. It's perfect for either putting dining room storage into, or perhaps a TV on, or even making it into a vanity unit for a bathroom with 2 basins would be absolutely stunning. So it's chunky, it's solid wood, it's handmade, and it's hand lacquered, and the tones of green are complemented by the golds, and it is a one-off and available to buy in our stores or at orchidfurniture.co.uk.